Did you know that more than 20 million Americans over 40 are already living with cataracts, and the number skyrockets after age 60? That means 1 out of every 3 seniors will deal with cloudy, blurred vision that only gets worse over time. Cataracts don't just make colors look faded, they make it hard to drive at night, read the newspaper, or even recognize your grandchildren's faces across the room. And here's the part nobody likes to talk about. For many people, cataract surgery becomes the only option. While surgery is usually successful, it's expensive, stressful, and it doesn't feel good knowing your independence is tied to a risky medical procedure. But what if you could lower your risk before it gets to that point? What if one simple drink, taken daily, could help protect your eyes from the damage that leads to cataracts? In this video, I'll show you exactly what that drink is, why it works, and how seniors like you can make it part of your routine starting today. Stay with me, because if your vision matters to you, you'll want to hear this. The truth is, cataracts don't show up overnight. They creep in slowly, and before you know it, daily life becomes harder. You may notice the glare from headlights makes driving at night almost impossible. Reading the fine print on your prescription bottles feels like a chore. Even watching television can be frustrating when the screen looks hazy. And the impact isn't just on your eyes, it's on your independence. Seniors who struggle with cataracts are more likely to trip on stairs, miss a step on the sidewalk, or give up driving altogether. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, cataracts are the leading cause of vision loss in older adults, and they raise the risk of falls and injuries that take away freedom. The emotional toll is just as heavy. Imagine sitting with your family and realizing you can't clearly see the expressions on your grandchildren's faces, or not being able to enjoy your favorite book because the words blur together. For many, that's not just an inconvenience, it's a painful reminder that aging can take away the things we love most. This is why cataracts are more than a medical problem. They rob people of confidence, safety, and joy. And if nothing changes, the condition only worsens, often leading to surgery as the last resort. But there is good news. You are not powerless. In the next part, I'll explain what actually causes cataracts to build up and why one daily drink can make a real difference. So, why do cataracts form in the first place? According to the National Eye Institute, NEI, the lens inside your eye is made mostly of water and protein. With age, some of that protein begins to clump together, making the lens cloudy. That cloudy buildup is what we call a cataract. The process is strongly linked to oxidative stress, damage caused by sunlight, smoking, poor diet, or simply the aging process itself. Normally, the body produces antioxidants to fight this damage, but as we get older, those defenses weaken. That's why seniors are far more likely to see cataracts develop. The American Academy of Ophthalmology, or AAO, also points out that cataracts are not just about cloudy vision. They change the way you see colors, increase glare, and reduce contrast. These changes can make daily tasks dangerous, especially driving at night or navigating unfamiliar places. But here's the hopeful part. Research highlighted by Medline Plus shows that a diet high in antioxidants like vitamin C and E, lutein, zeaxanthin, and anthocyanins can help slow down this damage. That means what you eat and drink every day can support your eyes at the very place cataracts begin, the lens. In a moment, I'll share a real-life story of a senior who made a small change to her daily routine and started noticing improvements. It's a simple example of how the science translates into everyday life. Evelyn is 72. For most of her life, she never thought much about her eyes, but over the past few years, she noticed changes that worried her. Driving at night became stressful because every headlight seemed to explode into a glare. Grocery shopping was frustrating, She couldn't read the prices on the shelves without leaning in uncomfortably close. And the part that hurt the most was sitting with her grandchildren and realizing she couldn't clearly see their faces unless they were right in front of her. Her doctor confirmed early cataracts. The word alone made her anxious. Surgery felt frightening and far away, but the thought of losing more vision was worse. That's when Evelyn decided to try something simple, adding a daily smoothie to her breakfast. She blended spinach, carrots, blueberries, and a splash of orange juice. At first, it felt like just another habit, but after a few months, she noticed the difference. Reading the morning paper was easier. She could walk outside on sunny days without squinting so hard. Evelyn's story is not a miracle. It's what happens when daily nutrition supports the eyes, giving them the antioxidants they need. In the next part, I'll explain why the same simple drink can help you too. So, what is this drink we've been leading up to? It isn't a fancy supplement or an expensive powder. It's a simple mix of fruits and vegetables that deliver the exact antioxidants your eyes need. Think of it as a daily eye health smoothie. Here's why it matters. Carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, found in spinach, kale, and carrots, are concentrated in the lens and retina. The National Eye Institute explains that these nutrients help filter harmful blue light and protect the cells inside the eye from damage. Seniors who get more of them in their diet are less likely to develop cataracts. Then there are anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give blueberries, blackberries, and cranberries their deep color. According to studies cited by Medline Plus, these compounds fight oxidative stress and improve circulation to the eyes. That means less damage to the lens over time. Vitamin C also plays a big role. A glass of orange juice or a handful of kiwi adds the kind of antioxidant power that supports collagen in the eye. The American Academy of Ophthalmology notes that people with higher vitamin C intake tend to have slower cataract progression. So how do you turn this into one easy step? Blend together a small handful of spinach, half a carrot, a cup of blueberries, and half a glass of orange juice. Add a spoon of plain yogurt if you want it creamy. That's it. In just a few minutes, you have a drink that not only tastes good, but feeds your eyes with exactly what they need. This isn't about changing your whole diet overnight. It's about adding one habit that can protect your independence. Instead of skipping breakfast or grabbing a pastry, imagine starting your day with this smoothie. It's affordable, it's available in every grocery store, and it's something you can do for yourself without waiting for a doctor's appointment. In the next section, I'll narrow it down even further. You'll see the single most important message to take away from all of this, and why keeping it simple is the best way to protect your vision. If there's one thing to remember from this video, it's this: protecting your vision doesn't have to be complicated. Cataracts are common with age, but you are not powerless. A daily drink made from simple foods, spinach, carrots, berries, and citrus, can give your eyes the antioxidants they stop producing on their own. This isn't about chasing a miracle or buying something you can't afford. It's about giving your body what it needs to do its job. The CDC reminds us that healthy eating patterns lower the risk of chronic eye problems. The National Eye Institute shows that lutein and zeaxanthin concentrate directly in the eye and act as natural filters. That's real science you can use today, not someday. For seniors, the real reward is independence. Clearer vision means you keep driving safely, reading your mail without frustration, and enjoying the details of your family's faces. It's the difference between relying on someone else and staying confident in your own daily life. So don't think of this as just another health tip. Think of it as a step toward holding on to the things that matter most. In the next part, I want to hear from you. because your story can help others just like you. Now, I'd love to bring you into the conversation. Have you noticed changes in your vision, like glare when driving at night, faded colors, or trouble reading small print? These are common signs many seniors deal with, but your experience is unique and valuable. Take a moment to share in the comments. Do you already drink orange juice, berry smoothies, or maybe green tea as part of your daily routine? Which drink feels easiest for you to add? When you share, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping others in this community see that small steps can make a difference. I read every comment, and many people find hope in knowing they're not alone. So tell me, which one of these eye-friendly drinks would you try first? Before we go further, there's something important you need to know. No drink, no food, and no home remedy can completely erase cataracts once they've formed. The American Academy of Ophthalmology makes it clear. Surgery is the only way to remove a cataract that's already blocking vision. But that doesn't mean you're helpless. The real power is in slowing cataracts down before they get severe. According to the CDC, older adults who eat diets rich in antioxidants are less likely to develop advanced cataracts, and they tend to keep their vision longer. That's why adding this daily drink is worth it. It supports your eyes where the damage begins. And don't forget regular checkups. The AAO recommends a full eye exam every 1 to 2 years after age 60. These visits can catch cataracts and other conditions early, before they steal more of your sight. So here's the balance. A daily drink helps protect your lens, but routine care from your eye doctor ensures you're safe. Both matter. Both keep you independent. In the next part, I'll finally close the loop and reveal exactly why this drink is the simplest step you can take to keep your vision clear. So here it is, the drink we've been talking about since the start. It's not a pill, not a special formula you have to order online. It's a simple smoothie made from spinach, carrots, berries, and orange juice. This mix gives you lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, the exact antioxidants your eyes need to fight the stress that causes cataracts. Think about what this means in real life. A small glass each morning can make the difference between struggling to see the words in your mail and reading them clearly. It can mean enjoying a family photo without the haze that makes faces hard to recognize. It's not about perfection. It's about protecting the vision you still have and keeping it sharp for as long as possible. This is the Drink This promise, a habit you control, made with foods you already know, giving your eyes daily support. The earlier you start, the more you can slow down cataracts and keep your independence. In the final part, I'll show you how to put this into action and invite you to join others who are making the same choice for their vision. You've seen how one daily drink can support your eyes, slow down cataracts, and help you stay independent. The choice is in your hands. You don't have to wait for vision to get worse before taking action. You can start tomorrow morning with a glass of spinach, carrot, berries, and orange juice, and know you're giving your eyes exactly what they need. If this video was helpful, hit the like button so more people your age can find it. Subscribe now because I'll be sharing more simple ways to keep your eyes strong and your vision clear. I'd also love to hear from you. Which of these ingredients do you already enjoy? Spinach, carrots, or berries? Share your answer in the comments, and let's build a community of seniors helping seniors. And don't stop here. Watch my next video on the top foods that protect your eyes from macular degeneration. That way, you're not only protecting yourself from cataracts, you're defending your sight from other age-related problems too. Your eyes are worth it. Your independence is worth it. Start with one small step today.